Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your very own welcome banner for your course homepage in Canvas. This can be similar to the one that I have in my sandbox currently, which just goes through different frames showing students just some upcoming dates, just a funny little joke, and of course a welcome image. So first we are going to start off in the Canvas framework course because there are some resources in this course for you to create that welcome banner. So the first resource we have for you is a little tutorial that will walk you through how to download the banner and how to upload it to your course homepage. I'm also going to show you how to do that in this video. If you scroll down, you have a couple more resources here. The first on the right, instead of having a welcome banner, you can also include a welcome video instead. So if you click that icon, it will take you to directions on how you can make your very own welcome video. In this tutorial, however, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own welcome banner by using this template. So to get started, go ahead and click this template icon, and this will take you to Canva. And so with Canva, if you do not already have an account, it may prompt you to log in. You can log in with your Suffolk Public Schools Google account. If you do not already have a EDU account with Canva, you can sign up for one. It's free. They just will want to validate that you are a teacher. Right? So to use this template, I'm just going to select Use Template. Right, and then here you can see that we have provided for you 5 pages, and you can add as many pages as you want. To do that, you can either duplicate the page by going to the right and selecting Duplicate Page, or you can just press Add Page at the very bottom. So for this specific example, I'm just going to have 3 pages. So I'm going to delete some of these pages here. Again, I'll just do that by going to the top right of each page and selecting the trash can icon. All right, so here I have my 3 pages. All right, so now I have this text box here. I just included that just to show that it was a template. You can delete these, and then that way we can get started with a blank canvas. Okay, so on the left, you'll notice that there are some templates that Canva provides for us. Again, you can always access this by going to Templates in the left toolbar, right? And if you press See All, or if you just search welcome images, then these templates will show up. Canva is a really great design tool to use, and it's a really great tool to use when looking for free templates. So for example, some of these. So this one says Welcome to Geometry, and you can use this as your welcome banner, as part of your welcome banner, or even as just a welcome image. You'll notice that if I hover over, for example, this image, it says free. So you can use this image with any Canva account. If you have not already signed up for an EDU account, you can still use that one. However, this Welcome to Geometry one, it shows the EDU icon. You will only be able to use that if you do have your EDU account, if you signed up for one. It only takes about 24 hours for Canva to upgrade your account if you want to go ahead and sign up for one. So feel free to take a look at some of these free templates that Canva has to offer. I'm going to start off with a blank page here, just so I can walk you through the steps on how to create your own. That's what you want to do. All right, so first I'm going to want to add a background to each of my pages. So to do that, I'll just click inside any page that I have, and in the left toolbar, I will go to background. And so here you have a search bar. You can search for anything, and something will come up. And so here I'm just going to select one that I've recently used. Again, they have so many options, so many free options, even if you do not have the EDU account set up yet. So I'm going to select this here. And so again, I just clicked inside of the page and I selected the background, and it automatically filled it for me. Okay, so now I have my background, and next I am going to want to add some text. So to do that, I will go back to the left toolbar and select text. And so here, there again are some font combinations that Canva is offering us that you can use that are free. Again, some are free and some of them are you can only use with the EDU account. So I'm going to add a heading instead, and then I can customize my own font at the top toolbar. So I'm just going to say 7th grade English 2020-2021. This is the first little image that students will see when they log in to my Canvas course. So I want to make sure that they know where they're at. So I can change the font I have. I really like the Sailor's font, so I'm going to use that. And then I can change my font color here. I can also change the size of my font by using these tools here. And I can always click and drag the edges, and that will make it larger as well. So I have that. And next, I'm going to want to add some sort of welcome image. So to do that, I will go to Elements in the toolbar. So another thing that I really love about Canvas are the different elements that they have here. And so if you search for something in Elements, something will come up. So for example, if I search welcome, there are so many different options to choose from. They also have some animated options too. So if I say welcome animated, then here are some different options that I have, and even some confetti if I wanted to add those as well. So I'm going to choose this. It says welcome. All right, and I'm just going to center this. Okay, so I've added my welcome image, and I think I need another image, so I'm just going to search for textbook, and then I can add this image here, and I'll move this over to the left, and I'll move this over to the right, and this will be the first image that students see. So you can make it so that only this image shows if you do not want the banner to scroll through different frames. However, I'm going to keep adding to these 2 pages here. And so for this next page, I can just have a reminder page. So for elements, I can search for reminder, and then it will show me some tools that I have. So let's see, what do I want to select? I can select this bell. And if you notice that the colors at the top right here, this means that you are able to change the colors. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and change the colors of the bell, but I'm going to keep it the same. And then next I want to add some text. So I'm going to go back to my toolbar on the left, select text, add a heading, and I'm going to say projects are due Friday, May 14th. All right, and again, I can highlight this text. I can change my font. I can make it larger, and I can change my font color. So I'm just going to have this really large here. All right, and then for my last page here, I'm going to have a page for calendar events. So I'm just going to have upcoming dates. So I'm going to add a title, upcoming dates. Again, highlighting my text so I can customize it using the top toolbar, changing it to sailors, and then I'll just click and drag to make it larger. And then another thing I really love about Canva is it shows you by that pink bar where it is centered. Right, and then next I want to add some more text. So add another heading. I'm going to use listing for bullet points, and I'm just going to list some upcoming dates. So May 14th, interim reports come out. May 31st is Memorial Day, and then June 18th, last day of school. All right, so again, I'm going to highlight my text so I can customize it. Change my font, change the color of my font, and then I'll just click and drag the edges of my text box to make it larger. Right, and then now I do want to add an element over here on the right, so I can search elements again, and I can search for calendar. And again, anything you search for, Canva probably has it. Add that here. All right, and so now I'm done. All right, so now I'm ready to download this and add it to my course homepage. So to do that, I'm going to go to the top right. I'm going to select download. I'm going to want to download this as a GIF because it has some animation to it. This welcome image has animation, and I also want it to scroll through the different pages automatically. If you have something that's like a still image, like page 2, there's nothing moving. If I just wanted to add that to my course homepage, then I could download it as a PNG. But if you have moving images, definitely download it as a GIF so that you keep those moving images. So file type GIF, I'm going to select all pages. I'm going to select download. Right? And sometimes a GIF file will take a second to download. It shows that it's downloading at the bottom right. All right, and so it shows me that it's downloaded. It is in my downloaded folder. And so now I'm going to go back to where I have started creating my home page. I've given it a title and I have inserted a table and I've made the lines invisible. So I want to add my welcome banner to this top row. So I'm going to highlight the row and I'm going to go to Table, hover over Cell, and select Merge Cells. And this will make it so that my banner will fit entirely into that top row. I always make sure that I center my cursor here, and then I go back to Insert, Image, Upload Image. If you click anywhere in the box, it will automatically open up your Downloads folder. I'm going to select my banner, select Open. It gives me a little preview. I'm just going to submit. Most images will appear very large at first. To help this, just select your image, select Image Options, and then go where it says Size. And I always select Small. And this just gives me a starting point because then I can click and drag one of the corners and I can just make sure that it fills the table here. There you go. A little smaller, maybe. There you go. All right, and then I'm going to select Save. And here is our welcome banner.